Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a better quality of your video only by using these features in a CapCut mobile. So just add your videos to CapCut, the one that you want to edit. And to get a better quality, you can just use this feature. So first click on the video and swipe and use the video quality option here at the bottom, and there will be three options that you can do. You can remove the flickers, reduce the image noise, and increase or enhance the image quality. So let's try to enhance the image quality first. I'm going to go with the UHD quality, and also here I'm going to remove the flickers. I'm going to go with the recommended one, and for the reduce image noise, here I'm going to go with strong. Okay, just swipe it to the right like this and wait for CapCut to do its magic. Click on the check icon. Now you can see CapCut will apply the three features at once. Okay, so just wait until the process is finished and you are done. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.